Hey guys, it's Mithila. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make fashion and travel videos, and today's video is about my favorite brand H&M. It's not a sponsored video, but I wish to work for this someday. Okay, there's also a try-on haul at the end of the video, so stick around. Even I was skeptical about buying stuff from here as I thought it was expensive like most of us thought. But little did I know that they have some amazing sales throughout the year. Also, I'm in love with the quality. They do have these categories from affordable to expensive, that is premium, and H&M has a sub brand called Divided where you get real affordable stuff. You can even check the same products on Myntra and also on the H&M official website to compare the prices. I also got few of the stuff from online websites. Now often I get asked that how do you read the size chart and know your size. So open the app, select a product, go to the size chart, and you have multiple sections over there. Go to the jeans section. For example, your waist is 28 inches, then your Europe size will be 38. So select 38. This goes same for all your tops and footwears too. Okay, coming to the haul, firstly I want to talk about this zebra print jacket which I got it on sale. I have the same printed skirt and had to get this one for like a cord set. I'm in the size extra small, but still this fits me like a oversized jacket, and I think this looks pretty amazing because anyway the oversized trend is going on. This was priced for 2,999 and the sale price is 1,299. Really great quality and I love this. Coming to the bottoms, I was actually looking for a white denim from quite a long time, and I'm glad I found this one at H&M store. I was actually skeptical about the fit and the length, just short girls thing. It's really great, the quality is superb and it just fits perfect. This is a straight high waist ankle length, that is why it fits perfect to me. I didn't get them on sale and this was priced for 1,499. Next up are these dark black baggy jeans. It's like a jet black color. It's a loose fit high waist jeans with tapered legs. I actually saw such pants on Zara but was always out of stock, so had to grab these the moment I saw them. Okay, so only mistake I did here was I ordered a 28 size, which is quite loose for me because it fits above your waist. So never mind, I will get it altered and use them. These pants give those street style vibes, and I'm really into street style fashion now. So let's see how I style them. The quality is top notch. I already wore this for 4 to 5 times and I can say I can live in these pants. This was priced for, I don't have the tag, but I think this was priced for 1,299. I'll leave all the links in the description box. In case you want to buy a similar one, you can check them out. Next up is this pretty floral dress, and this has a v-neck and there's no adjustable strap, as you can see. It's a straight cut with slight frills at the bottom. This just fits perfect, and this was priced for 799, but I got it on sale for 499. The quality is not very great, and if this was not on sale I would probably not get it, but I think for the price I paid it's manageable. Okay, coming to the kids section. Yeah, I do shop from kids section. They are just so perfect, and being tiny is an advantage here, so I do shop from 14 to 16-year-old, and they just fit so perfect and not too small, not too big. They are just perfect. Okay, coming back, firstly I'm a sucker for basics and neutral colors, so I got this basic crop top which has a halter neck, and I literally picked it just for its color, and definitely gonna buy every color in this. The quality is great. It's not see-through, it's a ribbed kind of material. These just go so well during summers and can be layered during winters, so yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so next is the white hoodie. Can you even imagine? This is from the kids section and the graphic is just so cool. It has this cozy fur like material inside, and it has a long sleeve with ribbing at the cuffs and also has drawstrings at the hem. I just got this for the graphic here. It's a steal guys, great quality for just 399. Okay, lastly coming to the accessories, H&M has really great footwear and I really love this one. Firstly, it's black and goes with anything and everything. It looks so versatile and chic with these thin straps here. It's the best when you don't want to do anything and look put together. This was priced for 799 and I got it on sale for 399. The quality is just great for this price. Okay, the last product for this haul is this hair scarf. I'm also wearing one of these. These are patterned satin scarves. And the size is 30 by 80 centimeters if I'm not wrong. I got this on sale for just 239 rupees. These can be styled in so many ways, and I love wearing scarves as hairbands. So yeah, it's a great deal. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed. Comment down your favorite product, and also check out my previous haul right here. No, right here. I'll link it right here. Also, you know the drill. Like, share, and hit the bell icon, and subscribe if you're new here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and keep styling. Bye.